other niggas lame and you know it now. When a real nigga hold you down, you supposed to drown. Bam. Bam.
Honey.
What you doing in the club on a Thursday? She said she only here for a girl birthday. They order champagne but still look thirsty. Rock forever 21 but just turned 30. I know I got a bad reputation. Walk around always mad reputation. Leave a pretty girl sad reputation. Start a fight club, Brad reputation. I turned the nightclub bad at the basement. I turned the plane around, your ass keep complaining. How you gon' be mad on vacation? Dutton whining around all these Jamaicans. This that prom shit. This that what we do, don't tell your mom shit. This that red cup all on the lawn shit. Got a fresh cut straight out the salon, bitch.
I know you're tired of loving when nobody to love, nobody.
Honey.
Close your eyes and let the word paint 1,000 pictures. One good girl is worth 1,000 bitches. Bam. Bam.
Honey.
I wanna fuck you hard on the sink.
Application in through the forums to actually actively RP as a pet, like an animal pet. If you're whitelisted, you don't need to.
Wrong think. Hey, you remember where we first met? Okay, I don't remember where we first met, but hey, admitting is the first step. And hey, you know, ain't nobody perfect, and I know with the hoes I got the worst rep. But hey,
oh, get him.
Hey, yo, we made the Thanksgiving, so hey, maybe we can make it to Christmas. She asked me what I wish for on my wish list. Have you ever asked your bitch?
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Hitman in a top try, see a man topless, even a stick is gay. Hugging my brothers and say that I love them, but I don't swing that way. The man them celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day. Somebody told Doja Cat that I'm trying to indulge in that. In my great tracksuit, see the bulge in that. See the motion clap when you're throwing it back. These females planning on doing me wrong, so I'm grabbing a dom at the Trojan pack.
It would appear that it is your lucky day. The person sending you this video has given you a coupon for one free boyfriend. You don't need him, you don't want him, but please, he's begging you, redeem it. Hi there, I'm here to inform you that you have been downgraded to the void package, also known as the non-subscriber. That means that you will no longer receive any new information or updates regarding this person. I suggest that you delete their phone number, as they have already deleted yours. If you would like to get in contact with this person, don't! Thank you!
Hitman in a top try, see a man topless, even a stick is gay.